Oh,
Sure.
what's up, bro?
Nothing much, nothing much.
How you feel this week?
Actually, I felt good. It was actually, yeah, was not able to take all the trades because of work, of course. That's always annoying. But I say like I was able to see all the trades.
Yeah,
Yeah. I was able to see them play out. I was able like to predict what was gonna happen. Even today's trade in the market, like I waited on the 5 hour, I mean the 5 minute.
you did.
Yeah. I waited on the 5 minute, but I feel like next week. I think this week I didn't want to really trade that much because we had the holiday.
Word up. Yeah, I took advantage of all of this.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Yeah, especially on the retest. Like if you go to the 5 minute where you are, yeah, and you have actually, can you make it bigger, wider, zoom out? No, no, just that area. Yeah, 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 yep, yep. So you have that support. No, the one on the top on your left.
Stop love here.
No, no, no. On a little bit, go back, go to your left again. Yeah, there.
Okay.
Yeah. So that support is never broke. I mean, it's broken, but it's coming. It goes back up, comes retested it again. So that entire area comes retesting and close a little above it.
Mm,
So that was my scaling entry.
okay. Okay. Yeah, I was looking at it on the 4 hour,
Mhm. Yeah.
and I was specifically looking at this area because my moving average was right here.
Okay.
Once, so yeah, I was making plays simply off my moving average, like just seeing that my moving average was still strong.
Mm.
Um, just digging into this area that was happening here, right? And we already noticed that this area, being that this box is right here, this area is just consolidation, right? So we were respecting it the whole entire time, like you said. But coming from the higher time frame, just adding that piece of technical in there, right? We keep
Yeah.
breaking that down, like you say, and once we get down to the 5 minute, right? I already had this area of interest that happened here at 9:30 when we got that first sell off, right? And then the market did like some type of like double top up in here, right?
Yeah.
And when I checked it out, I was like, damn, okay, some type of double top there. But I know what the higher time frame is telling me. So once themselves kicked in here and we saw them support happening, right?
Yep.
This whole area up in here, just based off that support here, and just knowing that my overall moving average was being touched right here.
Yep.
Right. So even when this market came on exhausted here, we just making plays off of 39,200, really. And then from there, you know, market came back up here and tested. We got that higher low that happened here. Great scaling opportunity right there. Right. And we still got in mind that, we getting back towards the top of
Yeah.
that consolidation, as far as my technical just being trying to get back to the top of that consolidation area.
Okay.
We know that we're overall in on the 4 hour time frame, right? Just going sideways.
Yeah, that consolidation is like that's what's killing me.
Yeah. But just knowing that nothing can, like, you're not
Yeah,
really,
and I took the buy though on the I took that buy when you go to that first I was about to ask you the other day what was the lot size on top tier because like I went ahead and I put the 0.10 and I thought that was gonna give me the lot size as a regular like I was trading as I was trading into my live account.
Mhm.
Yeah, so that's the mentality that I had until so I was like, hold on, hold on. So my live account, I will put 001 because I want to risk like $100. But on the demo account, I mean on the prop firm account, since it's like a 200K account, I wanted to risk $1,000. So instead of risking 1,000, actually I risked it $12
Damn.
because I pull zero zero. Oh no, I mean 0 10, and that's literally like nothing. Because when you put $1, that's when you risk. When you put one lot, you actually risk it's 0 0 1.
Mhm.
So 10 lot on the prop firm, it's actually 0 10.
Mhm.
Yeah. So I was like, oh my God. So I messed that up. So I took that trade like the first one,
Mhm.
the first push when you go onto the 4 hour. Yeah. So where you have where you have the beginning of your fib on the 4 hour. Yeah, yes, there. Yeah, that was my entry actually. I took that trade
That's
to the
nice.
top. Yeah, I took that trade to the top.
Tuesday.
Huh?
I said what that happened like Tuesday.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me take a look at my setup because I took a screenshot of it.
That's nice, bro.
Yeah. Um, I think yeah, that was Tuesday. Yeah, it played out like I took around 2 p.m.
Yeah.
So yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that was even before that because I also remember that you saw that, but I took my scale in around 2 p.m., like around 2 p.m., 1 o'clock. 'Cause that's when I was discussing to my friends, and because
All
when
right.
you break down that area, yeah. So you want to go to the 5 minute, it's more because that 5 minute give you more details than yes. So you have that high low that they form. You have the high low, and you have the no, not over there. Just go to your left. Keep going. Yes, yes. That's gonna be a support. That you have a support there.
That's fire.
Yeah, I put that as a support. Yeah, like Canada support zone. Yes, and you see you have kind of a double bottom on the bottom of there, but it's retesting the first support I created on the left. Yep. So in case you miss that and you have that low break that happens and then a retest on that support. So that was my entry for
That's
the retest. You have that low break again, so that shows that it's pushing. And then you have another support that it breaks there, but I'm not gonna take that because what you have that triple bottom down there. 1 2 3, and the triple bottom and the third touch is giving it's actually giving you engulfing that's closing a little above that support line close to that support line. But yeah, by that triple bottom was my entry, my other scaling entry, and I just held it to the top.
yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, man, like that's what I was like.
That's what I'm talking about. That's fire.
Huh?
I said that's fire.
Yeah, man. Like I was just like I said I was like, yeah, I'm not missing this trade. So I scaled in. But the thing that just killed me, I was looking like my prop firm account. I was like, what's going on? And why do I have like $12? Why do I have $12 in my prop firm? Like I should be up like 20. I mean, I should be up like what, maybe 1,200 or
Yeah,
1,300
yeah,
already.
yeah, easily.
And I was like, I had 1,200. So it went to the top, and my TP gives me like a $76, but
Mhm.
that would have been like a $7,000 trade. 7,600, actually 7,600 because I got $76 out of the trade. And I just held I mean I at that point I was like, what's the point of closing a $12 trade? So just let it run to my TP because when I did my research, I looked into the details of US30 on top tier trader and on the trade locker when they gave the details and they were explaining the position size and everything. I was like, crap, yeah, should have read it before. Yeah, man. I was like,
I told you to read them choice, man.
yeah, I was like,
You gotta
crap.
read
Like,
this. You gotta be reading them joints.
well, I guess it was a lesson learned. But as some, I felt like it was a good trade to come up with, and thanks to you, like I'm really looking at, the breakdown that we just did right there. That's the breakdown we did. That was what, our second day? I think the first or second day. Yeah, we did that breakdown, and this is just the same thing. That's just a playbook. I was like, this is my entry, regardless. I took that entry, I brought it to the top. I was like, this would have. I mean, I'm just happy. It's not the amount of money that I did, but I'm happy that I'm able actually to see the market
Yeah,
like this.
bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Like I'm really happy that I'm now able to see, okay, this is just retesting this and on the lower time frame, while knowing my higher time frame, I know it's just a consolidation, but we are moving like toward a pull move. So this is like a little pushback. And even though it's consolidating, but we are still into the buying scenario.
Hmm.
So
Yeah,
the trades you want to marry are just the buying trades.
yeah, bro. That
Yeah.
was analysis, man.
Well, thanks. I guess it was also the same thing that I did over here. But try yeah. Yeah, I was like I had my fib. I think I had my fib on the 5 minute. Yeah, for the retest on 5 or 15. Yep, yep, yep. You're in the golden zone. And
Hmm.
also, if you can see, and you have a W, if you go to the line chart, you will see like there's a W forming there. You see the W, that big W forming into, yep, 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 yep. So at the bottom there, you have that W forming, and at the top, when it just closes above it, yep, yep, yep. When it closes above that, above the 50%, when it closes above that 50%, because you have that support going from the on the other side. Because I felt like that's the safe, to me, that was the safest
Hmm.
area, the safest zone. Like I took that trade there. Yeah, yes, that candle there. Yeah, after that candle, that was my entry, scaling entry, because that's safe because it's above 50% and it reaches 50%. And you also see low break that's happening. It's breaking that's happening.
Hmm.
Yeah. So it broke at the bottom here when retested. So I believe it also give you kind of double bottom on the top, which is also a W where your fibs are starting on the 5 minute. So it went and came and retested that area. That was also a retest. So you could have, yeah, and you could have taken that W also here at the beginning when he came out retested it. That's
Yeah.
a test, yeah.
Yeah.
So that was a resistance, I guess, resistance area that came retest. And so you have so many confluences there. And you have that retest, you have the fib that was what, 78, I mean 61%. That's usually the second touch of the trend line, 61%. And you have the retest. So you have like major, actually you have major reasons to actually take that trade. So I
Hmm.
took the trade on that one, my live account. I didn't touch my funded account today because I wasn't sure to be on the market like past 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Mm.
because I mean, I was in meetings at work and stuff like that. I didn't want to get distracted and hold on to my trade until past the week.
Right, right.
You're like, oh yeah, you just lost your $200, $200,000 account.
You definitely don't want to see that email.
Yeah, I didn't want to see that. Yeah, so I was like, yeah, it was a good week, but you needed to be strategic about it. I mean, you really need to have like a good strategy.
Hmm.
Yeah, you really needed to be patient because yeah, it was too crappy. Like too no. And I'm really just following also my trading plan, staying between the 3 to 10 trades per week. So I'm not chasing trade.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm not like um looking at trades like forcing trades. So how did you take the buy? I believe that you took the buy over there, right? Where there's the green zone.
Hmm.
Yes. How did you take that?
Anticipating this retest off of this exhaustion.
Um, yeah, I'm still on this. I'm like, how did it? So, is there like a specific candle?
I really just started seeing this candle pull back. I've seen the support that was already previously there. So once the market started pushing bearish the way it was, I was like, man, this could possibly just come down and tap this.
Mm-hmm.
Like that's what exhaustion zones are for. So this was like a last kiss type of thing. This was just like a confidence type entry.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
that you draw that zone based on the
On all the exhaustion over here.
is the 1 hour.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it's based. It's based off the 4 hour. Yeah, it was off the 4 hour
Oh, okay.
hour weights. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah. Because like you said, we still in that buying structure.
Yeah.
And every time we buy in, anticipating a break until it shows us it's gonna break a higher low point. So
Yeah.
until
Yeah.
that is broke, like
Yeah, at this point, I feel like it's just consolidating, like it's going sideways. And you look at the highest point on the top of there, it's now broken. Yeah. Yeah. So the daily is also just going up, and now it's like slowing down. It's giving a lot of dojis. I don't know. I just feel like it's gonna drop. I don't know with everything that's happening. I just feel like it's gonna drop. So the weekly, I think the monthly don't make it to -27. So now it's it. But when you look at those candles, you look at like this that sell candles like had a lot of volume there. And when you look at yeah, and when you look at this buy candles that's coming up, it's like slow volume.
mhm.
Yeah. But yeah, we're still the beginning of July, so July maybe can be the month to break it.
Mhm.
I mean, it's just like too many dodges, like too many dodges, too,
Mhm.
too many dodges. Like you can't really take like a big move right now.
Mm-mm. That's all I'm saying. You shouldn't be trying to hold nothing too crazy.
Uh, yeah, too many dodges.
Mm-mm.
So when you start like, okay, so you do you place like a key levels?
Not really. Not so much on here. Mm-mm.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
because I feel like key levels like it gets you distracted.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll find them areas though, like off the daily, certain areas that I'm in, just depending on the area that we working in. So like,
mhm,
you feel me? I know where we coming from,
yeah.
right? So everything in here is what we working with currently. So diving into the details, I just look at basic areas of exhaustion based on these areas that we in until
Mhm,
we start to get back into more of that trend. But right
mhm.
now, we're not in you know, we slowly trending up, like you said. So the main areas that we're gonna be looking at is gonna be right up in here. Like all of this is cool, but we really just gotta pay attention to what's gonna be happening inside the minor details so we can understand where the next shift in the market is about to go, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so 'cause like you said, we keep hitting this rejection of one, two, test it. So, but we still gotta make sure that that bullish structure is actually broke, right?
I
So
mean, which candle do you think should break? I mean, which area? Candle, yes.
this area right here. For me to start thinking like real sellers,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to see I'm gonna have to see that like some real support areas like broken. Right up in here. Right. I see this area broke and then retested then.
Yeah, I mean, I just feel like it's. I feel like I would take it from the other side on the left.
Right over here.
No, down, down. Yeah, there.
Right here.
No, no, no. Up. Yes, there.
Okay. That works too. Because all this area is still being tested.
Yeah, because if you take that support from there and it shows like that level was being tested a lot of time, and yeah, so once the market breaks there and it gives you a reason to come and retest it and then drop.
Mhm.
I just feel like it's yeah, I feel like I just need to be more active into the market. Like that's
That's
the only
really
thing.
all it is. For real.
Oh,
That's really all it is. Is keep being active. You know,
yeah, yeah,
I like the fact that you executing, and you getting in good areas, to
yeah.
make sure you're
Oh
precise.
yeah.
You going about stuff. So
Yeah, yeah, like it's making more sense now. Like I need um it's either I need a ceiling or I need a floor to
mm,
enter. So I need to make sure that I have my ceiling or the floor. So
mm,
if I have a floor, I enter at the floor. So I'm looking for that transition or that type of candle to
right.
happen at the floor. So I'm not looking for anything in the middle anymore. Like if I'm looking for anything in the middle, maybe if I'm seeing a good scaling,
Hmm.
like a triple bottom or triple top, I'm seeing like a double bottom, a double top, but I have to see a break that comes with it and the retest that's happening. But I'm just not jumping into inside trades like I used to do.
That's good, bro. That's good.
Yeah,
And
man.
you being more consistent.
Yeah, yeah. Now, like I feel like whenever I'm taking a trade, I'm more comfortable.
Hmm.
I'm more comfortable. Yeah. I'm more comfortable taking a trade because I realize, okay, I'm taking the trades because of this reason. This is what I see. This is what I see in the market. This is why and like I said earlier, I mean, anybody could have taken that trade down there, but to me, it just made more sense since, I mean, the trade already went back up, and I'm like, yeah, I need this trade to come and retest this zone, this support, this floor. That's my floor. If it closes above it, then I'm in. If it doesn't close above it, I'm not in. So I
Right.
just waited. Yeah, I just wait for the candle to close above it, and then I was in, and I just took it to the top, and I was like, "Oh, yeah, market is about to close. I'm out." And when once it gave me my exit scenario, it gave me my bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish candle. I was out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was out. Like I was like, yeah, I'm out. I'm not trying to because that's just a signal that it's bad to go back,
Mm.
retreat. Yeah, I'm not trying to be into that retracement. I'm out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's good stuff, man.
Yes, sir.
It's good
Oh,
stuff, man. Precise. persist.
Yeah,
You got a reason why you doing everything that you're doing.
yeah. I mean, it makes more sense now. Like it makes more sense. Yeah, it makes more sense that you want I mean you seeing something and you're entering based on something. Like it makes, it gives you a reason to enter. And I'm also seeing like my moving average is the moving average flat or moving average looking up, but I'm using my moving average more into the 4 hours.
Mhm.
Uh 4 hours into a higher time frame because that's really giving me the right direction of the trend. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I need to add, I guess, my 18, 18, is it SMA?
Nah, that's the EMA.
18 EME?
Hmm.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to add it to my chart, 18 EMA. I need to add it. Yeah, but I just want to see that into the higher time frame because I feel like into the higher time frame, it gives me the confirmation that I need from 4 hour and above. That's what it gives me the confirmation that I need. But when you go lower, man, sometimes I feel like you just get confused.
Hmm.
When I go lower into a lower time frame, I just want to be I want to use as much as technicals that I can. I just take my trips off of technicals. But when using moving averages, I want it to be like maybe on the 4 hours and above because it gives me more into details. I mean, more into the chart that I needed to see. I don't want to see more that I needed to see anyway. So
Yeah. Yeah, man. I mean, I like it, bro. I like it, bro. You going
yeah,
you Man, you really know what you're talking about. So, the execution just gotta keep being there. You know what I mean?
yeah,
It's
the execution. Yeah, I feel like next week.
one
I
trade after another, like one trade at a time.
Yeah, I feel like next week I want to execute. I got what? I got 3 classes left, right? Yeah, if we can just take, I mean, if you don't mind, just 1 class per week at the end of the week on Friday. Just I want to see,
Yeah, let's
how
see your progression. Yeah,
I did at the end of the week, and if we can, I want to record. I want to take pictures for all my trade, and I
yeah,
want to give me your feedback on entries and everything.
yeah.
Yeah, because I feel like that's gonna be more beneficial for me than just
Mm,
meeting up every day, and I'm not. Yeah, 3 classes, 3 weeks, and every Friday. I mean Friday or Saturday, whichever works. I think Saturday or Sunday. I think so. Maybe Sunday, Saturday or Sunday. I mean, yeah, whichever works.
all right.
So I can go over all my trades and talk
No,
about my reasons why I took this.
yeah, I want to see how you do, man. I like that.
Yeah, honestly, man, like I feel like you just, I was there. I feel like you gave that push that I needed. Like you gave that push that I needed. And every time that I'm taking a trade, now in my mind, I'm like, what do you see there? You know,
Yeah.
what do you see there? Like, like what's like, where are you? Like, this is my flow. What do you see there? Like, okay, I'm doing my structure now in the lower time frame. I'm doing all that. Okay, so is that structure broken? It's not broken. Come on, retest it. I want this to be retested. Once it retest, I enter with this candle. So that's what I'm like, oh damn.
Yeah, bro.
I'm like, shit, I can do this now. Like, like I was here, but my confidence is now here.
Yeah,
So yeah.
that's what I like
Now,
to hear, man. That's what I like to
yeah,
hear.
man, that's why I was like, dude, I was like, damn, I miss like, because I wanted to go ahead and put that $1,000 trade because I knew those are the trade that I told you, but I
Mhm.
scaled it and everything. When I did it, everything, all the math, that was 7,600 and something.
That's
I was,
crazy.
damn, I just missed it. And I was like, well, I should have read to begin with. Guess that's what happened. Well, $76, it's good.
Nah, that's good, dog.
Yeah. But I made what $100 into the account anyway already, so that's good.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, but I'm not rushing it, so I want to take it one day at a time. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, you snapping. You snapping.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, let's see how you do over these 3 weeks, man. See
Okay.
what the motion is. So we'll tap in next week and
Okay.
see what's up, see how you do. So let's make sure you execute your plan and
Okay.
get precision going and just really thinking about like you're saying the details and having confluence and reasons why you're getting into what you're getting into and
Yeah.
everything to work out, bro. Like it'll give it a chance to keep compounding.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yes.
I'll see you next week, bro.
Yes, sir. Next week.
All right.